Okay, we have the float tube inflated. I've got my life preserver, my pack, my 2 rods. I need to go back and grab my rod holder in the car, and I think we'll be all set. Hey, good morning. This is Dave with Excursion America. I'm here at Beaver Dam Lake, which I did not clarify the last couple videos. It's an extension to Falls Lake. It has its own dam. It does have a boat ramp. Fishing pier is about 100 yards to my left. Right now I'm on the picnic tables. I can inflate the float tube. I've got some worms on a bobber. But today I had to separate some old rods, but I got my big pin. I think I've got 50-pound braided right here. I should be able to use something small for catfish bait or striper. They got striper in here as well. So let's tear it up and have a great trip today. Okay guys, we've got the pier behind me. I've got the float tube inflated. I'm getting ready to put the flippers on and hop in, tear it up. And if you want a lakeside view of the pier here at Beaver Dam Lake, you have it. Right now, 9.6 feet. So if you want to know how deep it is at this pier, right now, out here is about 10 feet. No fish on the radar. It's over here on the side. Went back to the car. I forgot my strap, so I used a different type of strap, and my rod holder wasn't very stable, so I went back and went up to my car and put it back. So I only have 1 rod now. So we got plenty of time today though. I'm just relaxing. This is actually a different pier. This is the pier that I was at last time. There's a pier a few hundred yards down, quarter mile down, and my secret spot's back that way. I don't know if I'm gonna make it that way, but I've just been employing these little Academy cheap spinners. They're like $1.50 or something. They work great. I caught those Roanoke bass off these. I think they were all white. I've got some white and gray ones too. No, maybe white and black. I've got several of the different colors. I had the depth finder. It is about 12-13 feet right out off there, so it's definitely plenty deep out there, so don't worry about being shallow. Once you just step out there about 5 or 6 feet, it drops off to about 5 feet deep. But back that way, it was all shallow for a few hundred yards, and I had to fight the current to get back up here. Wish me luck. I'm going to the secret spot. Osprey. Well, it's 2:30 and I moved down. This is actually the pier I've had for my video where that guy was swimming across the lake right here. The crappie were right here. That other pier is about a quarter mile down. Back that way is where we came in, and my secret spot where I caught this white bass and perch is back behind me a few hundred yards. So I was taking a break, ate a nice red apple and orange, get some vitamin C, and we are getting ready to get back in the float tube, and we're getting ready to catch a couple more fish. It's about 3:45, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's thundering really bad back over there to the west a little bit. I need to go about a half mile down, 2 piers down, and walk up the bank to my Jeep. So hope you enjoyed. Okay, I'm standing here waiting on this rain to pass. Raining pretty solidly. And we've got the Falls Lake State Rec Area Sport Fish chart. This is what we lost earlier, a white crappie. They got the black crappies. You seem to catch those. We know Dave loves the bluegill. Got some channel cats. We caught one of those last week. White bass. look very similar, except for the, I think, the attached fins right there with the white perch. We've got the red ear sunfish and largemouth bass. Yeah, I was gonna get caught up in RDU traffic anyway on the way back to Greensboro. It takes about an hour and 10 minutes. And that's just a mob of cars on I-40, I-85 merge right there. So let's have some fun fishing in the rain. So we know it's 12 feet deep out here from the depth finder. I was out there earlier. I set my camera actually up there on the corner. So came back, got me a 12 pack at the store of Pepsi Cola and some night crawlers, and it's raining good. Look at this heron right here. We know it's 12 feet deep here from the depth finder earlier, so it's got something. You can see the rain. That's where we had the float tube. We took it all the way down there, and the thunder came up, so I had to walk up there and walk way back. There's another pier way down there around the bend. Well, I think it's gonna clear on up. There's the sunshine right back there. But definitely have a nice little rain cover right now. Okay, it's very windy out, as you can see. I'm only gonna be here for another 30-40 minutes. Too windy for a bobber, so let's try to catch something nice with this for 30 minutes or so, get a little bit deeper.